Today, I'm going to show you how to build a website on Godaddy in a simple and clear way. First, go to the Godaddy website and log in to your account. Once you're inside, look for the option called Website Builder or Websites Plus Marketing and click on it. Now, click on Create New Site to start building your website. Godaddy will ask you a few questions about your business or the type of site you want, and then it will generate a basic layout for you automatically. After that, you'll enter the editor. This is where you can customize everything. You can change text, add images, update colors, and modify sections using a simple drag and drop system. Next, add important pages like Home, About, Services, and Contact. You can also include features like forms, social media links, and galleries. If you want to make your site more professional, connect your domain, or buy one directly through Godaddy, once your site is ready, click on Publish to make it live on the internet. And that's it now. You know how to build a website on Godaddy quickly and easily.